हुजूर बाबा सावन सिंह जी महाराज की जय। लेटर written by Huzur Baba Sawan Singh Ji Maharaj to his foreign followers. 40th letter, 1st October 1931. It is needless for me to repeat that disease is caused by the past karma, and it goes off when the karma has been undergone. The interference by Kal is also connected with the karma. The negative power harasses when the period of painful karma is on, but if the person is firm and stable in faith, the negative power retreats. The Kal always wishes to pounce upon his prey, the creature, but the positive power defends and protects, for the latter is more powerful. You should be above the idea of death and life, neither fear of death nor joy of life. Cultivate the idea we are to be as He wishes us to be. This will come when you have handed yourself over to the current. Every faith starts with some sort of concentration. Some focus it on external objects like mesmerism or wall worshippers. Others focus it on centers pinned below the eyes like heart, or even so low as the rectum. Some simply sit discarding all thoughts as they arise. Some pay attention at the tip of nose when the attention is fixed. Then some sort of control over the mind is acquired. Thought, reading, foretelling, and subordinating others' minds becomes possible, and people begin to waste their powers like that, and they are called great men. Their progress stops automatically a few after acquiring concentration, start rising up inside by following the prana below the eye focus, following the light or sound if above the eyes. Almost all stop at Sahasrara Kamal. Some cannot penetrate the light, while others catch the wrong sound and are misled. In the absence of the guide who has access to higher planes, this plane is not crossed. Net result is that almost all faiths have started to take this plane as their end point. Rarely Trikuti has been reached. Saints, however, go to Sachkhand and lead their disciples to that plane. No wonder, therefore, that other faiths find in the Saint Mat the things that they are most interested in. Access to Trikuti or Sahasrara Kamal and even to the eye focus is no joke. You know from experience how difficult it is to bring the mind to eye focus. Whatever is seen inside cannot be described in words. Superlative adjectives are soon exhausted. Saints find the same difficulty in describing what they find in the Smadwar and beyond. Perforce, they also use the same adjectives for lack of vocabulary. The true difference in the various stages can be grasped by going within only. Words fail to bring out the difference. Santmat is not grasped or comprehended by reasoning. It is the subject for direct observation within. सतगुरु महाराज की जय। सतगुरु तेरा ही आसरा, सच्चे पातशाह तेरा शुक्र है। जय गुरुदेव।